Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made some spooky jewelry. Yes, I'm still in the Halloween mood, even though Halloween has already left the building. It is what it is, okay? Don't come for me. So what I used to make this are the goodies that we received in the Halloween box from Sophie and Toffee. The theme was spooky cookie. So take a little look at what we got inside and then I'll show you what I made. Out of everything that we received, I think that my favorites were definitely the spiderweb cookie / macaron mold and also the skull mold. So I decided to use the spiderweb one first. I'm using some of my matte glitters from Larissi, discount code below. And I wanted to go for a nice sort of like lilac and turquoise theme because those two colors go really, really well together. I didn't like dome over this or anything because I wanted it to look somewhat realistic. And I'm just using an acrylic marker to pick out the details of the spider web. Then I added in some of the whipped clay that we received, and then I put the two pieces together, and whilst that was drying I then added on my little spider and some cute little sprinkles because, you know, the spider is saving his treats for a special occasion, clearly. Now I could just put this onto a ring blank and just be done with it, that's absolutely fine, but I wanted it to be on something a little bit more sturdy, so I just took all of the adhesive off of one of the phone grips that we received, and then I used some glue to attach the ring blank, and then I covered that over with some resin just to really sort of secure it down. And then I noticed that when I put the macaron onto the phone grip that it actually spins around, so I was like, oh my goodness, we're now going to have a rotating spider macaron ring that is also kind of like a fidget toy. I'm a really big fidgeter, so like this for me is absolutely perfect. Let me know if you would rock something like this. Okay, so this one is super easy, but I just wanted to let you know that this particular glitter here, I think it's called Candy Glow, actually glows in the dark. So I didn't have to add any extra pigments to this or anything. I just thought it was really, really cool. So yeah, this is pretty straightforward, literally just pouring it into the mold, popping it out, adding some black resin for the details, and then just putting my clip-on earring blank onto the back of it, resining over that. Boom, bam, you're done. You know, this is really very, very simple. A really great beginner's craft, I think that this is. But look at how cool that these glow. Just watch this, watch this. Look at that. I mean, come on. Also, they're absolutely massive for earrings. So, you know, you might not be as extra as me, but, you know, extra is my middle name. Anyway, let me know out of those two crafts, which one was your favorite. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.